Chapter 9. Verbs in the future tense. The future tense is categorized depending on whether the action will be in progress or will be completed. The four future tenses are future tenses, uses, examples or sentences. Simple future tense. The simple future tense is used for an action that will occur in the future. I will go. We will celebrate our daughter's birthday by flying to Montreal. Future progressive tense. The future progressive tense is used for an ongoing action that will occur in the future. I will be going. The Gemini Circus will be performing in Bengaluru for the next 3 weeks. Future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is used to describe an action that will have been completed at some point in the future. I will have gone. By the time you arrive, we will have finished the snacks and the games. Future perfect progressive. The future perfect progressive tense is used for an ongoing action that will be completed at some specified time in the future. I will have been going. In January next year, you will have been studying for 3 years. Some more examples. Simple future tense. You will be seeing your manager in the office tomorrow. Won't you? This time next week I will be sunbathing. We will give you a lift to the weekly market. It will snow in many areas tomorrow. Future continuous. At this time next week, I will be sitting in the plane on the way to Ireland. Don't call me after 10 o'clock, I will be sleeping. If you want to see Jumi tomorrow, you will have to go to the school. She will be taking a test all afternoon. I won't be working in my office the next 2 days. My parents will be here. Future perfect. I hope my mother will have finished cooking dinner by the time I get home. You can come at 6 o'clock. I will have done my homework by then. There is no point calling her at home. She will have left for work already. On January 27, 2026, they will have been married for 60 years. Future perfect continuous. By the time I retire, I will have been working here for 45 years. If he reached his 70th birthday, he will have been smoking for half a century. The verb here. Simple future tense conjugation. Affirmative, negative, interrogative, interrogative, negative. I will hear. I want hear. Will I hear? Want I hear? I shall hear. I shall not hear. Shall I hear? Shall not I hear? You will hear. You won't hear. Will you hear? Won't you hear? He will hear. He won't hear. Will he hear? Won't he hear? We will hear. We won't hear. Will we hear? Won't we hear? We shall hear. We shall not hear. Shall we hear? Shall not they hear? They will hear. They won't hear. Will they hear? Won't they hear? Be going to express a plan. Be going to expresses that something is a plan. It expresses the idea that a person intends to do something in the future. It does not matter whether the plan is realistic or not. Examples. He is going to spend his vacation in Majuli Island. She is not going to spend her vacation in Amritsar. A. When are we going to meet each other tonight? B. We are going to meet at 6 p.m. I am going to be an actor when I grow up. Madan is going to begin medical school next year. They are going to drive all the way to Alaska. Who are you going to invite to the party? A. Who is going to bake Prisha's birthday cake? B. Suman is going to bake Prisha's birthday cake. B going to express a prediction. B going to can express the idea of a general prediction about the future. Predictions are guesses about what might happen in the future. In prediction sentences, the subject usually has little control over the future. In the following examples, there is no difference in meaning. Examples: the year 2222 will be a very interesting year. The year 2222 is going to be a very interesting year. John Smith will be the next president. The film Zenith will win several Academy Awards. The film Zenith is going to win several Academy Awards.